Ready to turn your club's good intentions into great results? Mark your calendar for the Lower Rio Grande Valley Hub Assembly, an essential event focused on being people of action. We're diving deep into how membership, public image, and Rotary Foundation all work together.
This isn't just a meeting. It's a fantastic opportunity to exchange ideas and learn. You'll gain insight across our 4 priorities. This is your transformation toolkit. Impact your community like never before, reach new members with compelling stories, ignite member engagement, and build a culture of bold adaptability.
Join us starting at 8:30 a.m. at the Golden Basil Bistro in the LFCISD Career and Technical Building. And here's a delicious detail. Food will be provided by the talented CTE Center culinary students with a vegan option available. Don't miss the best price. Early bird tickets are $30, but the special price ends on October 31st. After that, the regular cost is $35. At the door, it's $40. The online cutoff is November 4th. No exceptions. Get your ticket and become a person of action. Ask your club advisor or register online today.
Join us in the Valley
to share your vision
and strengthen our clubs.
One vision, one Valley, one Rotary.
And a special thank you to all our sponsors: